In this video, I will show you how to fix the no sound driver error on Roblox. So there's a couple of methods I'm going to go through with you today to try and fix this problem. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now the first fix to try is from your desktop, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box and just go ahead and type sound mixer. Underneath best match, you should now see the sound mixer options app. So you want to give this a click to open this up. Now on this screen, what I would recommend doing is coming down and clicking to the reset button just down here, and then what you can do is load up Roblox and see if you're able to play and get sound. Now if you've tried this and that didn't work for you, the next thing you can try is coming back to your desktop, coming again down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, and this time you want to go ahead and type device manager. So underneath best match, you're going to see the device manager come up. Give this a click to open it up. And what that's going to do is open up a window like this. Now in here, you want to find audio inputs and outputs and just click onto the small arrow next to this option. After doing this, you're going to see all your different audio devices connected, including your speakers and things like that. And what you want to do is go through and right click on each one and click onto the update driver option. By doing this, this is going to ensure you have the latest drivers for each of your audio devices and should potentially fix the problem with the no sound driver error on Roblox. So if you've tried those two things but you're still having problems and you're not getting sound and the no sound driver error message, the final thing I would recommend is doing a complete clean uninstallation and reinstallation of Roblox on your PC. Now to do that, come down to the bottom left hand corner and this time in the search box you just want to go ahead and type remove programs. Underneath best match you're going to see add or remove programs, so give that a click to open it up. Then all you need to do is go ahead and use the search box here to search for Roblox. Now at this point you want to uninstall all instances of Roblox, including if you do have it installed, the Roblox Studio. So you just need to click onto each one and click the uninstall button, and once that's done just come across to roblox.com/download. You can use any internet browser to do this, and from here you're going to be able to go ahead and reinstall Roblox onto your PC. So that is how to fix the no sound driver error on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.